What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today we have something great to be installed. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and also hit that bell for notifications when I post. If you've been catching up with my Instagram and my other social media, you'll see that I've had something in store for you guys for about probably the last 2 months. Just been waiting for them to come in, and they have finally arrived. And today we will be installing them on in the Z. In this little box that I have right here, we got something from Braum Racing. I haven't taken anything out yet, but I will let you guys know that I did get a pair of seats from Braum, and I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy them. So here right now, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy and let you guys take a look at it. All right.
You can go.
Box was slightly open because of the specifics, but what's this? Oh, gave me some stuff in here. I wanna open it. About to be ghetto. About to be very ghetto. I think the ghetto-ness isn't working. Alrighty. Let's see what they gave me. What's this? Membership information. Oh. Okay. Condition for the seats. Conditioner, so I'm pretty sure you guys can tell if it has conditioner. That means I'm pretty much in with leather. I don't want to mess it up, but being dirty and metal will certify you to it. Comes in a nice little bottle, like your little acne creams.
Just like that. Nice.
Very nice, very nice. A money clip. Holds money. I mean, I'll never carry cash, bro.
You don't have any more money now that you got these seats.
Alright, there's another package. Everything's in black. Oh, another one. Another sticker. I got two. I'll give you guys these away in a giveaway in a raffle. I'm probably not gonna put them on. I thought they were about to show the seats. Don't do that. BraumRacing.com. Just I guess a number and website thing. And yeah, there's some hardware here. Alright, the moment you guys have been waiting for. Let me speak this up somewhat.
You want to say that to the camera?
The moment you guys have been waiting for, the seats. They come nicely packaged in this box. Alright. One seat. Let's unravel. Hey! Oh, that's some heat. Let's pick out 50 shot.
Nice.
You think I'm afraid to dance in this camera?
Pardon?
You think I'm
What was
afraid
that?
to dance in this camera?
Creep cam. Oh no. Creep cam. Hello YouTube, my name is Camille and this is a takeover. Welcome to my crib. Welcome to my crib. Since our man back there, where is he at? Doesn't want to focus. I'ma just do it. I'm changing the seats. I'm changing the seats and I'm driving away to the sunset without him. He can stay here. Just stand around.
Alright, so next we're gonna go ahead and start assembling the driver's seat. Not the driver's seat, this is the driver's seat. start assembling the driver's seat and putting everything together.
Yeah.
Alright, so these are the sliders. What we're doing here is pretty much taking out these bolts. These are what are going to hold the sliders in. So I'm just taking them out. And I'm just going to put the sliders on. And then next we'll put on the seat brackets. Alright, you can cut. Got the sliders in without the bar bracket yet. But if you're wondering how to move these so you can get the bolts in that Braum already has in the seats, what you want to do is pretty much press this down right here, this little piece. Press it down, and then you'll just move this thing up like that. And then press it back down to bring it back down. And then you have one on this side, and you just do the same thing. But yeah, brackets are in. Next, we're gonna try to figure out how to put in the sliders are in. We're gonna figure out how to put the seat brackets onto the slider.
What was that?
I guess sir. It's kind of scary though, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Why?
Because I'm gonna get, no, those things came with washers. Excellent. So next, we gotta put those in between these. This is the harder part. You see how we could just had an end to bolt into?
Yeah.
Now we gotta put washers in.
Yay.
So that makes it a little difficult, but not really. All you gotta do is just slide the thing up like we did before and slide it back down.
Are you cold?
Very cold. My nose is running, guys. Next, Braum supplies us with nuts and bolts to put in the seat brackets. I'm gonna give you guys a link in the description for this. I don't recommend the one that Braum has just for the fact that it sits really high. So I went on Amazon and bought these that sit a lot lower for the Z, so it helps, you know, keep the seat from touching the roof, which I really don't like. And it makes them sit flush and even, both seats at the same time. So we're gonna use those and we're gonna put these in. Alright, so Braum gives us a set of nuts and bolts for the seat brackets. They're gonna go in right here. So you're gonna put the nut probably behind here, and then the bolt goes straight towards that way. So we'll put those in to put the seat brackets in that are right here. I got the ones off of Amazon because these sit a lot lower than the one that Braum has on their site. And they also make this sit, both the seats as a pair sit flush and even with each other so they don't touch the roof. So we're gonna use this and put on this. Oh, Terrence! You wanna hold this for me? Huh? Please? For like 5 seconds. Actually, never mind, I got it. You used to now. You can help me. You can help me, bro. You don't know. Oh no, you still have a problem.
What you finna do?
Alright, seat's done, brackets are on, installed, everything tight and secure for the driver's seat. So now all we have to do is take out that seat there, and we'll be ready to go to put those in.
Yes, sir. Hello, YouTube. Welcome to my channel. We've been installing these seats for about 12 years now. It's colder than a polar bear's butthole, but we finally almost got one seat, so you know, progress is progress. Blase, blase. Excuse me, sir, you're in my frame.
Hello, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien. There you go.
See, look at you. Look at him.
Get loose. Get loose. Oh.
Nice.
No. Alright guys, one seat is in. All we gotta do is bolt it down, but as you can see with these brackets here, it doesn't touch the top. It's really dark, but yeah, Look good. Nice. All I gotta do is just put these bolts in. I'm not gonna show you guys putting in this other seat, but really the only thing to take out the seats inside of the 350Z is 4 bolts, and some cars have a couple plugs in the seats, but mine's is the enthusiast model, so I only had one. You put this one bolt here, there's one on that opposite side, there's one at the bottom behind the seat, and then there's one towards the I will say this is the bottom right, and then the seat will come right out. Welcome back. It's been a couple days later. It got really dark in the shop, so I didn't record the finishing of the seats being put in the car and things of that nature, but seats are in the car now. They look amazing. I'm looking at it right now. I'm about to show you guys what we got going on. So far, this definitely is a game changer for the car. As you can see here, seats installed. They look so amazing, guys. So amazing. Let me see if I can get you guys to get back here. It's a little dark, but yes. Let's go ahead and sit down in here. See how it feels. Fits just like OEM. I'm sitting pretty leveled up right here. This is exactly what I wanted. The stitching on these seats are phenomenal. They did really good work putting in this leather and stitching combo. They don't feel cheap at all. This is really great leather we got going on. It also has a carbon weave pattern to it behind it. Let me show you guys the leveler. So you got the lever over here, moves the seat back and forward. It really holds into you. Let me give you guys a better depth of what I'm talking about. So this is how I am pretty much in the car. No movement at all. No more slidey boy with the G35 seats. I used to slide around hitting hard turns. This car keeps me pretty much planted. I feel like I'm actually driving a nice sports car now. It sits lower. I can see everything around me on the dash at a different view, a different angle. And also these seats are a lot lighter than the G35 coupe seats that I had in before, which don't come with the 350Zs, but pretty much the car feels amazing. I did a pull the other day and I went from first to second and spinned. That doesn't happen too often in this car unless it's wet. So I can definitely feel an increase, or at least a butt dial increase, which feels great to me, and that matters the most. I don't care how fast your car feels. If it feels like a boat, it still feels like a boat to me. If it feels great, that's what I like. So these seats are amazing in quality and style. Installation was a little difficult, not gonna lie to you guys, but we got it in. If I can do it, you definitely can. Get one more outside walk around, like with the door closed on its own, but dear, oh my goodness, just amazing. Let me see him pop up in this trunk so y'all can see what the carbon weave looks like in the back. But yep, really nice seats. Has the Braum stitching right there as well. And with the brackets that I bought, as you can see, they're not touching the top and they're leveled nicely, which I really wanted. They're not from Braum's website. They are on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below, but you can get those and they'll make the seats sit a lot lower and they'll sit a lot lower. So if you're a shorter person, you might want to get the Braum's seat bracket online for the driver's seat. and you can do whatever you want with the passenger seat as you prefer, but I like how this sits a lot better. Also, it has a nice option, you know, you can roll your seat back and forth in these, so I can slide again, which I didn't have in my old seats. So that's also a nice feature. So guys, as always, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. There'll be plenty of videos coming out in the next couple of months, as I always guarantee some heat for you guys. I hope you guys continue watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, stay safe, keep cool.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't